Hey friends, it's Tracy. Welcome to today's video. I wanted to thank you for a wonderful 2021 and look forward to the new year in 2022. We're going to be doing lots of crafting. Now, I was going to put together my favorites of 2021, but I was having a hard time narrowing it down and it was just taking too long. So I just decided to do it this way. I'm just sharing just my channel. I have lots of videos. I've been on YouTube for a long time, and some of you have been with me for a while, or maybe you just found me. I love each and every one of you. Your sweet and kind comments just mean the world to me. And I'm not going to worry about the negative Nellies, the negative people. I don't get that many, but you know, the ones that I do, it's like, really? Are you just not happy? Anyway, so, you know, one of my mottos is your perception is your reality. So, you know, the way somebody interprets things may be different from the next person. Anyway, but I do have lots of videos. I have seen a lot of growth over the last couple of years, and that is contributed to you and my sweet community. I love just having you be a part of my family. Some of us have become great friends, and I look forward to blossoming those friendships in 2022. Okay, so what I've decided, I am going to be doing a giveaway to my community. Now, I'm going to be giving away this 2022 Seasons of Joy calendar by Jennifer Pugh. She is an artist. She has an Etsy shop. She is a small business, and so I love to, you know, be able to support small businesses. Anyway, this is her new calendar that she has. Now, this is sold exclusively in her Etsy shop, and this is all of the different prints that are in here. And so I will be doing a drawing for my community, and just what you have to do. Well, first of all, it has to be limited to US, the 48 states, only because of shipping, and I hope that you understand. And then just leave me a comment letting me know if you have a favorite craft that I do. I would love to get your feedback of what you follow my channel for. Is it painting? Is it wreath making? Is it doodling? Is it, you know, just crafting in general? And my mind is kind of blank right now. But anyway, I would love to know. And then also let me know if you would like to be entered to for a chance to receive, you know, the joy of the season, Seasons of Joy 2022 calendar by Jennifer Pugh. Now, I am an affiliate with Jennifer, and I, you know, have said before, but I'll say it again. I do only promote, and I work with companies that I truly invest in and also approve of and also want to support. And so Jennifer is definitely one that I want to do that. I will be drawing the winner on Friday, January the 7th. I will be announcing the winner on my, you know, on my pages. So you have until that time to, you know, leave me a comment and let me know that you would like to win, as well as let me know what you follow my page for. I would love to know. Anyway, wishing you all a blessed and prosperous new year, and looking forward to crafting with you much more in 2022. Bye guys. God bless.